Alright, this is in response to Jay Perry's video. I see he's having an issue with his main gear. I had an issue with my main gear where it was doing the same thing, and then I like to show off my new Finless Trex 500. Yeah, I bought this, took the old EXI tailbone brace off and using that one now, or the, what you call that, tail fin mount. And so Jay, did you see how my gear spins now? And they all spin good. Except for holding the motor. This one's a little tight, but it's a big motor. So check it out later. And just now noticing that it's a little tough. I got a wire here in the way. I'm going to put a tie on that, but I got my 5,000 milliamp packs, 50C, $138 for two. And we had a little issue with the HK. Minor crash, broke a linkage. But I upgraded it a little bit, put the Castle Ice 50 in there, programmed the auto bailout, rotation bailout, line DS520 tail servo, and that's about it. Oh, and I put in all digital servos, Corona 939s. The ones that were in there previously were Corona CS 939s. And Jay, my problem was there's a washer that goes in the middle in between these two gears. Maybe you want to check and make sure you got your washer in the middle. That could be it. Other than that, we should be going flying with Kevin and Robert Monday or Tuesday. Kevin's back in town from Texas. So we get to go and fly your buds. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps you out, Jay.